I'm on FaceTime with somebody who's annoying. But look, I'm blowing up my balloons. So I got the 2 and the 6 done. I had to do those by mouth, honey. I about lost my life, but it's okay. I use this machine here. Now I can't do it and hold y'all, but let me see. You know, I got special talents. You know, hidden talents. All right, look, watch this. This one has confetti. Look at it, and it's so cute. Hello. So I am building an arch, a birthday area. So it's gonna be over there. I like the way the pictures came out the other day, so I'm gonna do it over there. But I'm gonna have all the pink, white, and silver clear balloons over there. I had to blow the 2 and the 6 up with my mouth, and y'all about died, but I did it. They don't have helium, so because the helium would have took too long, I really decided to do this last minute. So I'm gonna just hang them up on a wall with like either string or tape, and that's pretty much that. But so this thing here, I can't find it. This came with the balloon pack on Amazon. It literally took 1 day, so it was 1 day shipping. And this here, you can use this to build an arch, build a shape, do something. But I'm just building that right now. And to blow up all these balloons, I use the little balloon, the air machine, which is from Amazon. It's like, they got them for like $15-$20. So, not bad. And if you're like an event planner or something, or you do backdrops for people, whatever the case is, that is a good investment because these were easy to blow up. So, I'm going to let y'all watch me make my arch. These have holes, if you can see them. And what you would do is, well, this is what I've been doing. Put the balloon through the hole. Get the entire tie part in there. And even if you can't get the circle part, and pull it through. Pull it from the large part to the small part. So that's what I've been doing. And that's what I'm going to keep doing. You hurt me, I did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm back. Okay, so it's almost taller than me. Well, it is taller than me. I have a little more left to make the arch. With and without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy. So you want to be a YouTuber? You want to be confident? You want to be an entrepreneur? You want to be who you are destined to be. I Want to Be is a learning program created by Daquana White, a social media powerhouse and entrepreneur. She tailored this program to assist individuals on their unique paths to success, helping with minor lifestyle changes to huge steps in branding. I Want to Be is based on authentic experiences and offers genuine guidance, lessons in lifestyle, graphics, growing, business, and so much more. Sessions that include follow-along demonstrations and hands-on presentations. Courses can be purchased separately or grouped in relating packages. I Want to Be also offers a complimentary journal to help keep track of all your amazing ideas and inspirational merch for everyday attire. Be sure to visit iwannabe.biz to get started today. Where I want to stand, right? So I'm going to slide this over. Then I'm going to have 20 and a 6. Well, I said the 20 and a 6. The 2 and a 6. Making 26. So I'm gonna have them like right there. And yeah. So with that being said, I want to slide this stuff down. Okay, so I'm gonna be like right here, and then 2, 6, because the picture is generally, you're not gonna see the top of this, so you're gonna see the after photos of the photo shoot, but you're gonna see like maybe to this height up here, because they're gonna be square for Instagram. So let's see if these balloon dots work for this. Six right there, because I'm going to do sitting and standing, so I want it to be seen. Bow. Okay, so I put them on this side. Where are my other ones? These also came in the pack of balloons, and I'm going to link them down below if you're curious. I got the pink, silver, white ones. So imagine the cage not being there. And then basically within a square. Even though, yeah, it should work. Then I'll just have those on the floor. So I will show you the pictures. I'll show you me taking them tomorrow. So I got the balloons up. What I did, I took the balloon dots that came with it, so the little sticky, like glue, tacky stuff, and I just stuck them together down here and threw some more up there, and then I left these loose because I do want to like throw 1 or 2 in a picture and just have them down on the ground. I did move China's cage, so yeah, this is what it looks like over here. I really do like it. The 6 did fall down, but picked it back up. And hey, China. Hi. You phony. But I have so much stuff over there that I need. Like, y'all, my living room been crazy. But today, since it's the launch and I don't really have any more to film over here in this area, I can finally freaking clean up my living room how I want it to look after I do this photo shoot, after I officially finish with the courses, and getting all the content onto the SD card. So yeah. Okay, she was talking to me, but I didn't unmute her in time. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't have anything else to say, so I'll see y'all when I'm done getting dressed. And oh, I'm gonna film the video over here, the introduction video too. So it's gonna be like a birthday. Hey, it's my birthday, and here's what I'm doing. Launching I wanna be. So I'm gonna do that and put that on YouTube too. So yes, got my remote here, my phone on a tripod, and this is the setup again. All right. Okay, I gotta switch from her hands with the remote. Just doing something. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the timer on and do like a type of. Okay. Press the. Hold on. Alright. Press the button. Sit it down. When is he gonna do it? I hope it got something to tell y'all. I don't know how many degrees it is in North Carolina today. Honey. So I just ran outside. First I had to run to the 3rd floor to get my black table because I have a silver tablecloth and I want to take like pictures of my planners, have some other stuff in the background, the June 9th date clock, just a lot of things to make it cute. And I got this white board which I'm probably going to sit things on, and I'm going to take a picture of the wine that Trinity bought me. So I'm multitasking. I'm doing pictures of gifts that I got from friends along with stuff in accordance to I Want to Be. And this is just going to be like filler photos for my my feed. So that's what I'm doing. I'm happy to look at the journals. I'm about to open them up and I'm about to actually film. I have my camera here, so I'm going to film about I Want to Be. I have one of the ambassador t-shirts, and about that, if I would have known that I was going to be starting a merch line as well, these are just like, these are really pretty too. It says I want to be who I'm destined to be. These are pretty. These are for the ambassadors, but I do have merch as well. So if I would have known I was doing the merch, I probably would have just gone ahead and ordered. Huh? I ain't go nowhere. It stopped again? I'm in the original spot. It stopped again? Yes. Oh, boy, you was trying to go to AutoZone? I know it. I'm in the original spot. You know where I first stopped? Yeah. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm at now. But, what I would say? Oh, I would have allowed them to have a choice of shirt. But other than that, that's all I wanted to mention. Got makeup all on my fingers, so this will be my personal one. But has a nice quote there. Has some prompts in here. Love, love, love. And this one actually you can account for your bills and all of that. So then I have the goal planner, which is of course goal oriented. So it's weekly planning, daily planning. We have some dotted pages as well. Love all of these, and honestly I was just so shook when they got here. Then we have the business planner, super cute. As you can see in there, again, all of them have that quote in the front of them. The planner, so also has prompts, dotted pages. So yeah, that is just a close-up of the journals. I literally put so much into I Want to Be, and I'm so excited. I'm so amped up for this. So I just set up a cute table. Honestly, I'll have all this linked down below for feed pictures, and I'll also show you how those came out. And yeah, so that's that, showing all the planners. I'm so amped right now. Like, what?
Every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with and without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here. Charming to me.